Avergonzado once again, and this afternoon, wala ko mahimulain. So I've decided to make a no-bake Milo cake. So I've discovered this recipe on the internet and uso ni siya kayo ron sa Facebook. So yeah, here are the ingredients of our no-bake Milo cake. First, we have 2 pieces of Milo. So kanirang this only costs 6 pesos on the sari-sari store. Okay, so most of the recipes na ako nakita sa YouTube uses 2 pieces of Milo and 4 pieces of eggs. But on my recipe, I am just going to use 1 piece egg, 2 pieces of Milo, and sugar. So we also need oil pod, a little bit of oil for the inag-steam na natin. Use steam. Let's try steaming lang. Okay, so let's start. First is you are going to open the 2 pieces Milo. You are just going to mix it in a bowl, and after nato mabutang ang Milo sa bowl, we are now going to mix the egg ani sa atong Milo. So again guys, I only use 1 piece egg para sa atong non-bake na Milo. And now we are going to mix it up.
So we are going to mix it well. Dapat nga walay part or some part of the solution nga mag-harden kay aron nga equal ang iya nga pagka-luto sa steam. Niya dili siya magtibok bitaw kay some of those some cakes manggod nga dili ma-mix na to og tarong probably lisod siya lain siya kanon kay tibok-tibok. And I forgot, we are going to mix it with a little bit of oil para dili siya magpilit og taman.
This is a very easy recipe to make. So if you want to make cake on your own home, then you can refer to this reference. I'm going to put the procedures on the description box below, together with the ingredients that I used in making this non-baked Milo cake.
Okay, so ready na siya. I think it's a little bit ready to be steamed. So let's find out if this will work or not. So wala magamit ang whisk, no? Kapoy hugas, white tubig. So mag-spoon na lang ka. But before steaming this one, don't forget to put sugar. Ito lang, Bert, isa ka spoon lang, please. Spoon, please. Thank you. Okay. And mix it again. Nakoy bisita sa akong tapad ron. No? Dali lang, makita din sa wow. Ikaw, wow. Dali! Sit beside me. Come here. Again guys, you're going to mix it well good. No? Kaya dili siya mag-pilit. Kaya dili siya mag-tibuok-tibuok. To achieve better results. Okay ba? Muna akong ginagapahan niya pag umangkon. Sa tagbilaran. Kaya tagbilaran ba ka lang? Magawasay na sila guys, sa balay. Magawas na sila sa balay. Okay, I think it's ready. So, using a steamer, itong gamito ni para sa inag-steam na nato ani. And I am using this small, what you call this, di ba para man sa mga puto. Kanila itong gamiton para dili ka na. Kung mamilyanera, so kanila nga itong gamiton. Okay. So let's find out if this will work. I hope this will work. Kasi pinagpaguran ko talaga to. Yes, I found it on YouTube.
Okay, so update guys sa atong no-bake nga Milo cake. I put some crushed biscuits on the Milo cake to put some garnish. So yeah, ning harden na og sugod ang atong giluto, and let's wait I think 5 minutes more para ma-fully luto na jud siya. Okay guys, so I think murag naluto na gyud ang atong Milo cake, and in tubo na siya. So yeah, let us try to eat this one. So let's find out, and we'll see you na lang sa table. Okay guys, so nana ang atong finished product. So let's open this one, and humot siya kayo guys. So here is what it looks like. Wala siya ang atong finished product. So I will be accompanied with my beautiful cousin, my beautiful pag-umangkon na si Crystal. So pagod ito imong kwan ka ng spoon. So I made 4 of it. And let's eat it! Kung lami ba siya? So ako din muna mutilaw lang kung lami ba lang. Okay, so kani siya oh. Okay, so optional lang din you guys if nyo bubutangan aning mga sprinkles, but kung galahan mo, then try.
In fairness guys, lami si Ja. Init lang jud. Maybe natamisan na ako ubutan sa sugar. Ano ka na? Most of Milo gelatin, pero with a twist. Lami siya talaga. Lami siya. Humok lang pagabutang na ako sa Milo. Mayroon din. Lami. Ano yun si John? Nay, magalaw ka, Nay. Kalawin niyo. Mura naman siya maidong lagi. Luto na. Lami si John. Lami siya, guys. Ha? Oh, gamay. Isa ka. Pwede na po, ugiran mo isa ka kutsara na sugar. Gamay lang. Mamelt sila sa imong mouth. It really melt on your mouth kung maain mo na malasahan bitaw. Uy, durot na.
So yeah, that's it for today's video guys. Thanks so much for watching. The no-bake Milo cake is worth it. Lamig kayo si Jang pagka kuha na. Even though there are some points sa kung pag-mix nga wala kayo siya matarong, may pagkahumok paghapon ang atong product, but then it is really nice. Lamig kay siya lasa, malasa gid mo ang Milo, lisod po, Milo atong main ingredient no. And then yeah, if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. So like my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to share and comment on the video. So thank you so much for watching guys. This is Bobbet Avergonzado, and yeah, everything changes. Bye!